In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your remote control is not working here on your Philips TV. Okay, for the first step, what we can check on our TV is if there is anything in front of the TV, because sometimes there can be some thing in front of the TV which can block the signal. So make sure that you, clean this up here in front of the TV. So what we also can do is that we try to unplug the TV. So fully unplug it, then wait like 2 to 5 minutes, and then you plug it in again. This is only to fully reset your TV, and sometimes this helps. So what we also can do here with our remote is that we go here on the back of the remote and then open the remote up, and here we can easily change like the battery. So then we can here close it again. So what we also can try to do is that we check if the remote is broken or something. So what we can do is that we here press and hold a button on the remote and then look through your mobile phone camera with the lightning turned off, and then sometimes you see like a flickering light here on your remote. And if this is the case, then yeah, this is a good sign, because then the remote is sending signals to the TV. If not, then it can be the case, it don't have to, but it can be the case that the remote is broken or something. What you can also try to do is that we try to control the TV here without the remote. So what we can do is that we go under the TV, and here we have like a button we can press, like an on and off button. And when we press this button, then the TV should react. If the TV is reacting, then yeah, your remote might be broken and you have to buy a new one here. But if the TV also doesn't react when you press this manual button, then it is the problem from the TV, that the TV is not reacting or something. So what I recommend there is that you unplug every single device here from your TV, and also unplug the TV and then plug the TV in after a few minutes, and then you can try to look if there is if the TV is working again, because sometimes some devices here can also block like the signal from the remote, or like can block the TV, and then the TV is freezing. Okay, and after that your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.